My name's Kevin McGrath. I'm a global IBM expert specializing in WebSphere Application Server, and I'm also a member of Origina's Technical Council. I spent 15 years training the people who administer WebSphere Application Server. I taught them how to do simple systems administration. I taught them how to write scripts. I wrote the book on scripting for WebSphere Application Server. I've spent a good 10 years troubleshooting WebSphere Application Server installations. Because it's fun. And because we are empowered, as GIEs, we're empowered to do anything it takes to do right by the customer. I mean, that is the single biggest value. It comes from our founders, and it's pushed all the way down the management chain to the individual GIEs. I get to work with some of the best professionals in the world. We get to exchange ideas. I can ask for help from anybody on my team. If I need to bring in experts from outside my team, it's a no questions asked. It's very much a team effort, and we very much care about things working properly for the customer. One of the really nice things about working for Origina is I get to know my customers very personally. I'm assigned to specific customers. I get to know their architecture. I get to know their people. I get to know the kinds of things that they do really well. And I get to know the places where I can add value to those customers. So the first thing I do is I think about my history with this particular customer. Then I'll confirm the customer's complaint. And after that, I'm very often wading through as much as 2 gigabytes of log information. Sometimes I'll have customers run a script to illuminate certain areas of the problem. And there's almost always some back and forth. One of the really cool parts of my job is I get to transfer some of my knowledge to the administrators that I'm serving.